Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to English Listen Easy channel.
Hey, Emma. You sound really happy today.
I am happy, Jack. I slept 9 hours last night.
Wow, 9 hours? I only slept 6.
Why? Did you stay up late again?
Yes, I was reading a book about old cars.
Of course you were. You love old cars so much.
I do. Last night I read about a car from the 1960s.
Was it interesting?
Very interesting. But now I'm a little tired today.
Drink some coffee. That always helps me.
Good idea. I'll get some coffee after this. Let's sit down and get started, Emma. Anyway, listeners, today we have a fun topic for you.
We do. Today we talk about past tenses.
Yes, regular verbs and irregular verbs. We make this easy.
I love this topic. I still make mistakes with it.
Me too, Emma.
So let's start simple. What is a regular verb?
A regular verb is easy. You just add ed at the end.
Like walk. In the past, it becomes walked.
Exactly. I walk to work becomes I walked to work.
What about play? It becomes played. Very simple.
Right. Clean becomes cleaned. Watch becomes watched.
Okay, that part is easy, but irregular verbs are different.
Yes, irregular verbs don't follow the ed rule at all.
They have their own special past form. You must learn them.
For example, go doesn't become goed, it becomes went.
And eat doesn't become eated, it becomes ate.
Right. English learners often make this mistake at first.
It's totally normal. Even native children make this mistake too.
Really? Even children who grow up speaking English?
Yes, little kids often say goed or runned too.
That makes me feel better about my own mistakes.
I know that mistake very well.
Did you make that mistake, Emma?
Oh yes, let me tell you my story.
Please, go ahead. I want to hear this.
When I was younger, I studied English from books only.
Okay, that's normal. Many people start that way.
One day, I was talking to a friend from Canada.
What did you say to her?
I said, yesterday I goed to the store.
Oh no, Emma.
She looked confused, then she smiled and said, you mean went.
That's so funny. I can't believe it.
I felt embarrassed, but I never forgot the word went after that.
Where were you two talking, by the way?
We were at a small coffee shop near my old apartment.
Was it a busy place?
A little bit. There were a few other people around us.
I bet you felt embarrassed with people close by.
A little, but my friend was very kind about it.
That's actually a good way to learn, I think.
Yes, mistakes help you remember things better.
I have a similar story. Can I tell it?
Of course, Jack. Go ahead.
One time, I was talking about my weekend at work.
What happened?
I said, I eated a big lunch on Saturday.
Jack, no. It's 8.
I know that now, but back then I didn't know.
What did your coworker say?
She just laughed and said, you mean you ate a lot?
That's nice. Good coworkers really make a difference.
They do. Now I laugh about it with them sometimes.
See, our mistakes are actually good teachers.
They really are. Okay, let's give more examples now.
Good idea. Let's talk about common irregular verbs.
See becomes saw. Eat becomes ate. Go becomes went.
Have becomes had. Do becomes did. Say becomes said.
Take becomes took. Make becomes made. Come becomes came.
Know becomes knew. Think becomes thought. Feel becomes felt.
There are many more, but these are the most common ones.
Right. If you learn these first, you can say a lot.
I think that's true. You don't need every verb at first.
Exactly. Start small and add more verbs over time.
I think 10 or 20 verbs a week is a good goal.
I agree. Slow and steady is better than fast and confusing. Now, listeners, before we continue, we have a small request.
Subscribe so you don't miss our next episodes. We'd love to have you back.
It really helps us make more episodes for you.
Okay, Emma, do you have a trick for irregular verbs?
Yes, I put them into small groups.
What do you mean by groups?
Some verbs don't change at all, like cut and put.
Oh, that's true. Yesterday, I cut the bread. Same word.
Right, put is the same too. I put my keys on the table.
That's a great trick. It makes learning faster.
Another group changes just one letter, like sit becomes sat.
Or run becomes ran. Just a small change.
Yes, when you see the pattern, it's not so hard.
I like that. Groups make big lists feel small.
There's a third group, too. Some verbs change completely.
Like go and went, those look totally different.
Exactly. Or see and saw. No pattern at all.
Those are harder, but there aren't too many of them.
True. Once you know the common ones, you're mostly set. Let's do a quick practice round now with listeners.
Great idea. Listeners, try to answer in your head.
What is the past form of buy?
It's bought, not buyed.
Good. What about break?
It's broke. I broke my phone last week.
Nice example. What about give?
Gave. She gave me a gift.
Perfect. And what about drink?
Drank. We drank coffee this morning.
One more. What about write?
Wrote. I wrote an email last night.
And the last one, what about speak?
Spoke. We spoke on the phone yesterday.
You're doing great, listeners. Keep practicing these verbs.
Practice really is the key here. There's no shortcut.
I agree. The more you practice, the easier it gets.
When I practice new verbs, I say sentences out loud.
That's smart. Does it help you remember?
Yes, a lot. My brain remembers sounds better than lists.
I practice differently. I write short stories with the verbs.
Oh, that's a fun way to practice too.
It is. Last week, I wrote a story about a trip.
What was the story about?
I wrote about a crowd at a music concert.
A crowd? That sounds like a big story.
Yes, the crowd was huge. Everyone was singing and dancing.
Did you use past tense verbs in the story?
Of course, I wrote, the crowd sang loudly and moved together.
That's a great way to practice past tense.
The crowd made me think of so many action words.
Smart idea, Emma. I should try that with a crowd story, too.
You should. Any crowd works. A market, a game, a party.
Good tip. Okay, let's talk about our recap now.
Sure. So basically, we talked about regular and irregular verbs today.
And we shared 2 very embarrassing stories about mistakes.
Yes, goed and eated. Very bad English.
But now we both know the right words.
That's the whole point. Mistakes teach us fast.
Let's talk about our word of the episode now. What word is it?
The word is practice.
Wait, what does practice mean exactly?
It means doing something again and again to get better.
Oh, like when I practice my English every day?
Exactly. You practice speaking and slowly you speak better.
I practice a lot with podcasts like this one.
That's perfect practice. Listening helps your ears learn fast.
I also practice writing short sentences with new verbs.
Practice can look different for everyone.
True. Some people practice by talking to friends.
Others practice by watching shows in English.
I look for new words every time I watch a show.
I usually pick up new phrases from song lyrics.
My neighbor practices by singing English songs at home.
That sounds fun. Does it really help her?
She says it does. Her pronunciation got much better.
I believe that. Songs help you remember sounds and rhythm.
Any kind of practice is good practice, I think.
I agree completely. The word was practice. Don't forget it. Try writing a sentence like, I practice English every day.
Or you could write, practice makes my English better.
Write your sentence in the comments below.
This will help you remember the word better. You create the context yourself and write it down.
We'd love to read your sentences, listeners.
If this episode helped you, please like it, share it, and subscribe.
We're always working on new episodes for you.
Thank you for listening today, everyone.
Bye for now, beautiful people. See you next time.